Welcome back. In the previous video, we are able to save the tweet text into the local storage, and in this video, we will learn how to show post notification to the user on a click of a button. So whenever a tweet is saved, we will show a green toast, and if a user click on a tweet which is already saved, we will show him the warning. So for that, as you can see on screen, I have already opened this LWC developer guide, and under it for toast notification, we are in this documentation. So first of all, we need to import this show toast event. So I will go to my LWC and import it on the top. I will import it. After importing it, we need to first of all create one method. So I will create one method because I don't want to repeat the code again and again. So I will write one method, and whenever I want to show the toast methods, I will call that method. So for that, we will call this method as show toast, and we will pass three things. First, the title, then second, the message, and the variant. And for comparison, you can see we are using this similar thing here. As you can see here, title, message, and variants are used, so we will pass that. So now I will go back again to my Visual Studio code, and I will write const event equal to new show toast event, and under this uh, as it is already giving me how to write it, title we will set equal to title, then message we will set it equals to message, and then the last one is variant, which will be variant. After writing this, we need to dispatch the event as well. So we will dispatch the event here, this dot dispatch event, and inside it we will pass the name of the event, which is event. So this is the method which we have prepared. Now whenever we are doing this thing, whenever we are saving the tweet, we will after this call this method show toast, and inside it we can pass the title, the message, and the variant. So whenever a tweet is saved, we want the title to be success, the message should be tweet saved successfully, and the variant will be success. Let's save and deploy this source to the org, and after that, after verifying, we will call this show toast method in this if block as well, because we want to show the warning as well. So let me just go here and refresh the page. Now I think I haven't clicked on this one. What we can do is we can remove from the, can delete this and refresh it again. Now when I click on any of this button, it will show me this green post notification. But when I click on this button again, it is not showing me the notification, the warning, like the tweet is already saved. So let's write the code for that as well. Here we don't need to do the console log, we just want to show the notification. So this dot show toast, and the title should be already saved, and the message will be, let me think of a message. I think the message will be it looks like tweet is already saved, and the variant will be warning, because we want to warn the user. So let's deploy this source to org as well. And now if I refresh and click on this first tweet, as of now it is not happening, but once I refresh and click on this, it should show me that orange toast, the warning. As you can see, it is showing. So now we are done with doing the functionality of this first button. The two are remaining. The second is the copy and the third is the post. So let's click on copy. It's not, but yeah, it will work. So that's it in this video. Thank you very much.